1 cup of this mixture can replace a large amount of manure. It's like liquid gold that will completely transform your garden. You won't need to buy expensive fertilizers anymore. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch to a blender. It provides plants with 3 essential minerals: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all necessary for healthy growth. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which supports the development of beneficial soil microorganisms and increases organic matter, helping plants grow more vigorously. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties, improves nutrient absorption, and protects plants from diseases. Pour in 1 liter of cold water and blend everything thoroughly. Measure 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this to water your plants and soil. This is an excellent natural fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will look like it came straight from a professional catalog. Never throw eggshells in the trash. They're priceless in the garden. Whether you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cabbages, lettuces, or other vegetables, eggshells can make a big difference. Despite all our efforts, crops sometimes fall short due to disease or pests. When plants lack calcium, reach for eggshells. Eggshells contain magnesium, iron, potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. But most importantly, they're a rich source of easily absorbed calcium. Crushed in a mortar, coffee grinder, or blender, they make an excellent fertilizer. Simply add them to planting holes when transplanting seedlings like tomatoes. They'll improve fruiting and plant resilience. Soaked in water and left to sit, eggshells become a powerful liquid fertilizer for watering or spraying plants. Crushed and sprinkled around vegetables in the garden, they also protect against slugs. So next time you're about to toss out eggshells, think again. They might be better off buried in your garden. I've been doing this for 30 years, and my tomatoes are always huge and disease-free. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetables grown in gardens and on balconies. Tomato seedlings need proper care to grow into strong, healthy plants. They have delicate but sturdy stems. To give them the best start, you'll need an egg. An egg isn't just a kitchen staple, it's also a fantastic, natural fertilizer. Dig a hole in the soil and drop in a whole egg. Crack it using a small shovel or trowel to speed up decomposition, helping the nutrients reach the soil faster. Now it's time for the tomato seedling. Place it into the hole and cover it with soil. Finish by watering the seedling generously. Thanks to this simple trick, your tomatoes will grow strong and be more resistant to disease. You'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. Try this method. Your harvest will be bigger and tastier. Your plants will be perfectly cared for all season long. Take an empty plastic bottle. Use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the cap. Now carefully cut the bottom off the bottle with a knife. Attach the bottle to a tall stick with tape to keep it stable in the pot. Then, place it in the soil near your seedling or flowers. Pour water into the bottle. You can also add the appropriate fertilizer. With this method, you'll create a simple yet effective irrigation system. The water will gradually soak into the soil, providing your plants with consistent moisture even on hot days, preventing them from drying out. It's a great way to keep your plants in excellent condition. This homemade watering system is perfect for when you forget to water regularly or plan a long trip away from home. Try this trick, and your plants will thank you. Take an egg in a mortar. You'll make something extraordinary. Eggs contain many essential vitamins and minerals, but eggshells also contain a lot of valuable nutrients. Once you see this, you'll never throw eggshells away. You'll make an incredibly nutritious product out of them. This milky liquid is obtained precisely from them. Eggshells are rich in magnesium and calcium. They also contain other minerals. The most important of these is potassium. It is essential for the growth and flowering of plants. You don't need to buy expensive fertilizers anymore. This liquid is completely free. It helps strengthen plant roots. As a result, they can grow faster and stronger. The fertilizer is obtained from crushed eggshells. You can cook some eggs for breakfast and use the shells later. To crush the shells, You need a mortar. Place the shells in the mortar and grind them into fine powder. Transfer it to a container and add some lukewarm water. Stir until you get a milky consistency. When the eggshells settle at the bottom, pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Take this amazing nutrient fertilizer and spray it on your beloved plants. This fertilizer is also suitable for watering. In a short time, you'll see wonderful results. This spoonful will make your geraniums grow like crazy. Today, I'll share a secret you'll thank me for. The volume of your flowers will significantly increase, thanks to 2 ingredients. Their combination provides the flowers with all the vitamins and minerals they need to bloom. Let me show you what to do. First, prepare a 5-liter jug of water. Now, it's time for the main ingredient of this fertilizer: fresh yeast. Yeast is a source of amino acids essential for the synthesis of proteins and enzymes in plants. You'll need 10 grams of it. Measure it out using a kitchen scale and then add it to the jug. Next, we need to add a special powder to the water with the yeast. You might be surprised, but this is eggshells. Eggshells are rich in many minerals, such as calcium, which is crucial for the growth of our plants. Here's how to prepare the powder. Rinse and dry the eggshells, then crush them into small pieces, or even better, grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of this powder to the jug with water and yeast. Mix everything thoroughly. Use this nutrient-rich water to water your geraniums. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. Their color will be more vibrant, and above all, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Do this for your garden. It will bloom like never before. Your plants will be healthy and strong. Start by preparing charcoal or briquettes without any chemical additives. Charcoal improves soil structure and protects plants from toxins. Use a hammer to crush the charcoal into smaller pieces. Place the crushed charcoal in a bucket and add some water. Mix it thoroughly. Now prepare a second bucket and add soil mixed with compost. Compost is a real treasure of nutrients. Add regular water or rainwater to the composted soil. Combine the contents of both buckets and mix. Cover the bucket and leave it for 2 to 3 days so the ingredients can blend well. Now, use this mixture to water your garden beds. Water the soil, and you'll see how quickly it becomes more fertile and full of life. With this method, your garden will be drought-resistant and provide you with abundant harvests all season long.